Hi guys, what's up? Look, I was just working on doing a new front mount intercooler install on my 2009 BMW 335i. I just wanted to post this video for a couple other guys that might be looking at purchasing one of these. It's a 5-inch stepped deal from China supplier. All that being said, price-wise, it's considerably less than some of the other brands, VRSF, some of those that are certainly great products. But if you're trying to do this on a budget, this might be for you. I'm not going too wild or extreme, so it's an improvement over the original. A couple things I did do to mine just to kind of improve things, or little issues that I've seen. Right here on the inside of the ports, you could actually notice was really bad as far as having like a step where the size of the opening reduced, and it was on both of these, and up in this area here there's a big step all the way around, probably 1/8 an inch or even more. So what I did, I'm all about getting good flow. I'm sure everybody else is too. Just want to make sure it's going to do as good as it can. What I did is I took my die grinder. You guys could do the same if you think it's an issue. Like I said, I just prefer the good flow. But I took a die grinder. I basically used 2 bits. I used a straight shank here, diamond carbide bit, and then I took one that had kind of more of an oval shape to really transition it in. So I used the flat one to really flatten it out and smooth it up around here on these insides. And you can see the difference in the texture. You can see the sand casting on the inside and the area that I've used the die grinder on in there. Like I said, smoothed it up a lot. Should give it a little bit better flow. All things being what they are, it's probably not a big deal. I will say the other thing that I did notice that I'm not real crazy about is where your clips go. You're really not going to be able to capture this from your loop underneath like you can on the factory one and just slide it down. Right now, and this is machined really nicely, but right now it's catching up on this real hard corner on the inside here. And I think what I'm going to do, haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it here shortly. I'm going to take my small die grinder with a diamond fine point bit, and I'm really just going to take that sharp edge right there and just kind of round it up slightly, and hopefully to where that clip will be able to spring down like it's supposed to. I'm just sitting here thinking how awful this would be if I have to take it out again down the road for whatever reason, and you can't really pry it down properly from underneath. Then you're going to have to get up here on the top and pry with a screwdriver. I think it would just be annoying as heck. So look, I will say quality of this thing's really nice. Welds on it are pretty nice. I had a little bit of fun with it. Laugh at me, whatever, but yeah, so I just put a little something on the front just to have fun with it. But again, that being said, these end caps down here, really nice heavy duty cast stuff. The tabs are really thick cast stuff. Downside to all that great heavy aluminum stuff, it does weigh a bit more. So I'd say it's probably at least twice the weight of the factory one, maybe even just a tad more. So again, all things being said, if you're super weight conscious, that might be a reason to look at one of the better brands. Don't know what the weights are on those, but certainly could be something to look at. Over here on the car, pretty straightforward. Took about 5-10 minutes just to pop out the fan, to pop out the plastics from underneath. Nothing too big there. I'll get under here, show you a little of my mess, but all in all, everything was pretty clean. Yeah, clean. So yeah, once I get all the bugs and stuff out, suck that stuff out, blow some out with the air compressor, we'll drop this bad boy in, and we'll see how things go. But anyway, guys, that's it. Like I said, I'll let you guys know how the rest of it goes. Thanks for watching. Later.